What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the DAI and USDC stablecoin within the Bancor network. So Bancor just released version 3 of their DeFi protocol, which is their biggest upgrade to date. And on here you get auto compounding rewards, instant and permanent loss protection, unlimited single site staking, dual rewards, and even lower gas fees. There is no other DeFi protocol out there currently that offers this amount of features. So during this launch on version 3, you can provide liquidity to the Link pool, DAI pool, Bancor, or ETH, and they're currently working on implementing the rest of their tokens into the version 3 upgrade. So that includes wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, USDT Tether, Ren, Yearn, Maker, and up to 150 other coins that are going to be included in this new upgrade. So Bancor was one of the first DeFi protocols in the crypto space, which was first launched in 2017, and they still remain one of the best. And according to DeFi Llama, they're ranked number 31 with over 560 million in total value locked. So tons of investors have provided a lot of liquidity to this protocol. So with the launch of version 3, Bancor has really made it easy to earn passive income simply for providing liquidity to their Omni pool. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to provide liquidity with the DAI stablecoin on Bancor 3 and begin earning rewards. So let's get started. So currently Bancor is offering 8% APY on the DAI stablecoin, and that includes rewards in both the Bancor token and the native DAI stablecoin. So keep in mind, Bancor is a Ethereum token and it is an Ethereum platform. So all the coins you will find on Bancor require the use of the Ethereum network and Ethereum gas fees. So Ethereum tends to be the most expensive in terms of gas fees. So be prepared to pay high gas fees whenever you're transacting within the ETH network. Depending on the time of day, the gas fees for transacting with ETH could be $5, $10, $20. So I do recommend you provide liquidity in a large dollar amount if you're gonna try this technique. Doesn't make sense for you to provide liquidity with a low amount just because of the high gas fees. So definitely keep that in mind when you're providing liquidity. So for starters, you're going to want to install the MetaMask wallet, and the ETH network is pre-installed on MetaMask. So the website here is metamask.io, and make sure you click on download, and this will install on your Chrome web browser up here. And MetaMask is the most popular Ethereum wallet in the world. This acts as a digital interface to send or deposit Ethereum tokens. So once that is installed, you're going to want to buy some USDC stablecoin from Coinbase and send it to the MetaMask wallet. And always be sure you check this website, ethereumprice.org, to keep an eye on current ETH gas prices. So the good thing about Coinbase is USDC coin is free to purchase. There is no additional fee for purchasing the USDC stablecoin here. So once you've purchased your desired amounts, let's say $1,000, you would go to send and receive and enter the amount you would like to send. Let's just say it's 1,000. And under the to section, this is very important. You would copy your MetaMask wallet address and paste it here. So hover over to your MetaMask icon, and under your wallet name, you see your specific wallet address here. And it always begins with 0x. So copy this. And once you have that copied, paste it in here. And you can write a note. This is optional, but not necessary. So once you have that in order, you would hit send, and this would send the USDC from Coinbase over to MetaMask. Depending on the network, this might take a few minutes to process, or it could be as quick as 30 seconds. And keep in mind, when you send it, you will see a preview window of the expected gas fees. So like I said, at the time of filming, gas fees for Ethereum are about $5 per transaction. So instead of sending 1,000, you'll end up with 995 in your MetaMask wallet. And like I mentioned earlier, definitely keep an eye out on this website, ethereumprice.org/gas. And on here, you do get a historical outlook of current ETH gas prices. So in the first chart here, you see gas price for the past week. So we are currently trending pretty low, which is a good sign. And also you see gas prices by time of day. So at the time of filming, today is a Tuesday, and as you can see, later on at night after 8 p.m., 9 p.m., there's very low volume, very low activity on the ETH network. That's the best time to transact because gas fees will be lower. So anything in this low pink color is a good time to send, but when you see this dark red, that's when you get the most activity, the most volume, and that's when the gas fee will be the most expensive. So looking at this chart, the best time to send gas is overnight during the week, Monday through Friday. So definitely between the hours of 8 p.m. and up to 6 a.m. in the morning. So definitely bookmark this website. Cool, so once you've sent that, you should have your remaining balance into your Ethereum wallet here, and you will see down here under assets your new USDC balance. So the next step would be to visit the Bancor website and connect your MetaMask wallet. And the website here is www.bancor.network, and the homepage brings you to the Earn tab. And on here, you do default to the version 3 of this webpage, and for beginners, they've launched the Link token, DAI, Bancor, and ETH. But keep in mind, like I mentioned, all the coins in version 2 will be upgraded to version 3 in the upcoming weeks, so definitely keep an eye out on that. So we're going to focus on the DAI stablecoin for this video, which will net as 8% APY. So once we're here, we're going to go ahead and connect our wallet, hit connect up here and click on MetaMask, hit next and connect. Great, so now that you've connected your wallet, the next step would be to trade the USDC stablecoin for some DAI stablecoin under the trade tab. So back here, let's go ahead and click on trade, and we're going to want to trade our USDC for some DAI. And there's a drop down list here, but you can also type in DAI in the search bar. And again, let's pretend we ended up with 995 coins. And because of slippage, and slippage is just the price difference here, you will end up with roughly 977 DAI stablecoins. Keep in mind, these are both stablecoins, so they should remain at a $1 peg at all times. So once you're ready to swap this, confirm the transaction and approve the swap and approve the transaction on your MetaMask wallet, and you should end up with roughly 977 DAI stablecoins here. And don't forget, any transaction on the Ethereum network includes more gas fees, so keep in mind you will pay ETH gas for this transaction. So now that we have DAI under our MetaMask wallet, and again, it should be under your assets down here, but if you don't see it, what you can do is go to CoinGecko and add the assets token here so it's viewable within MetaMask. So if you go to coingecko.com and search for the DAI stablecoin, and over on your right, you do see the contract address. Simply click on the MetaMask icon here, add to MetaMask. And it's going to add the suggested token, in this case DAI, so we're going to hit add token. Great, and if we hover over, you'll see that we've added DAI to our assets list. So now that we finally have some DAI, we go back to the Earn tab and deposit our DAI. Make sure you turn on Join Rewards Program. So we're going to hover over back to Earn and make sure we're on version 3, and under DAI, click deposit, and we're going to deposit the total amount of DAI we wanted to, or you can simply hit 100% and it'll auto populate your balance on here. And also make sure this Join Rewards program is enabled, and if we expand this list, you do see the rewards breakdown contribution. So 1.2% of that is native DAI that you'll be receiving in compounding rewards, and on the other side you do have the standard Bancor token, which is close to 7%. So the sum of both of these rewards is 8.16 in reward tokens. But you might be thinking, hey, I don't want the Bancor token, I just want to keep DAI or ETH or USDC. But the cool thing is, you can always go back to the trade tab and you can swap your BNT for some DAI or some ETH or some USDC. You really have a ton of options of how you want to convert your rewards. Cool, so once this is set, go ahead and click enter, approve, and approve the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. And keep in mind, one more time, you will pay Ethereum gas fees on top of this. And I have to mention again, Ethereum is an expensive network to use. So you definitely want to try this technique with a large amount of money. If you're only depositing, say, $50 or $100, it doesn't make sense because of the high gas fee. Anything at $1,000 or higher is recommended in my opinion. Cool, so once all of this is approved, you've pretty much finished. Your holdings and rewards will be viewable on the portfolio section here, and this will give you your breakdown of how many coins and rewards you've earned. So what does your collateral look like? Any token you deposit on the Bancor network, in return, you receive a collateral token. So in this case, if you deposit DAI, you receive the BN DAI token as a receipt. And BN DAI represents your share of the pool. So in the end, when you want to cash out, when you want to withdraw your money, you're essentially returning your BN DAI token and you'll receive your original DAI plus all the rewards in return. So this BN DAI token represents your share of the pool, and BN DAI is exponentially growing in size. So BN accrues both trading fees and rewards. Cool, so once that is done, you're pretty much finished. The rewards are auto compounding. It's a set it and forget it, and you don't have to claim rewards. Bancor is doing the claiming and auto compounding for you on the back end, which is an amazing feature. Super simple and straightforward approach. And ultimately, when you're ready to cash out, when you're ready to withdraw your money, withdrawing takes 7 days to unstake, which is known as the cooling period, and a 0.25 fee, management fee taken by Bancor simply for providing their services. So it's an extremely low fee. That's industry-wide, super low. There's other protocols out there that take 1%, 4%. Bancor is extremely low at 0.25. So just to recap, some of the benefits of Bancor version 3 include single-sided staking. You only need one token to stake or provide liquidity. The rewards are auto compounding, so you set it and forget it. You don't have to manually claim rewards. Bancor does this for you on the back end. And lastly, there's 100% impermanent loss protection. So because of this idea of an omni pool, Bancor provides impermanent loss protection as insurance in case of slippage or price differentiation. So no other protocol out there offers this type of insurance that protects you from impermanent loss. This is a new concept from Bancor, and it's quickly gaining a lot of traction with investors. It's really a win-win situation for anyone who's using the platform. And don't forget, the Bancor DAO is working on integrating the rest of the 150 ETH coins on the network to be implemented into version 3. So definitely keep an eye out on their Twitter page at Bancor for the latest news. I am definitely excited to see Wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, USDT included in version 3. And just look at how high some of these reward rates are. You can get up to 4% combined on Wrapped Bitcoin, up to 34% combined on USDC, or even up to 22% APY combined on USDT. I am super bullish on this platform, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to make passive income on their crypto holding. So that about wraps a complete guide on how to provide liquidity on the DAI stablecoin within Bancor and start earning liquidity rewards. I'm super bullish on the platform, and their interface is easy to use and straightforward, and you can start earning rewards in as little as 5 minutes. There truly isn't a more powerful, a more easier way to do this. So Bancor has been around since 2017. They've never suffered an outage or a hack, so they've been battle tested, and a lot of industry professionals trust the Bancor network to achieve high yield DeFi. And they offer some of the best yields on stablecoins, especially during bear markets, where you can earn a yield on your coins even while other coins fall in price. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.